What's up, traders, and welcome back to another update of the bull ring. All right, let's take a look at what's been going on since Monday, guys. Okay, this chart makes it look super simple, but it's not that simple. Let's check out Monday's drop. Okay, Monday we dropped 14, maybe $15, and it took 3.5 hours for this to happen. Okay, then we went across for about $3.94 on SPX, guys. That's 39 cents on SPY. So we dropped $1.50 on SPY, then 39 cents. Okay, these are the numbers for SPX. Okay, so then we had today, Tuesday. Okay, so once we hit our resistance, we dropped down and we went down about another $15, and it took 3 hours, guys. 3 hours. Okay, what does that do to your options? Kills them. If you bought any 0 DTEs, hopefully you had a very high delta, whether it's SPY or SPX, but this is what they call manipulation. Okay, if I take this chart and show you what it really looks like on a big scale, okay, this market didn't move much. Okay, they kept us what I call in a box. Okay, and it's a money box for them. You see, even today the box matched up until here. This box was the same. Okay, so all we did was go up and down for 2 days. Okay, which is almost $20 on SPX. Okay, on SPY, that's $1.97. Okay, not good. Now, if you guys got in on one of the pops like we did at the bull ring at the beginning on Monday, okay, you made some money, but you might have not made a lot of money if you entered with 1 or 2 contracts, but you were positive. So this is what they've been doing. They've been manipulating us, guys, and they're going to continue to do it unless we go for the all-time high, which they started today. And today we actually moved up about $25. Okay, let's call it 30. 2.5 hours. Now that's not a bad number there. Okay, now you got to remember, if you're going to be playing options, you got to understand. All right, my after hours has executed, guys, on the futures. Okay, so anyways, you have to understand your options, guys. You have to understand that you need a high delta. You need some good stuff on your side like Gamma, Vega. If you guys don't understand how to do this, okay, I have courses, guys. Take the courses, okay? And I'll tell you what, I'm going to do something because it's been bad 2 days for everybody. I'm going to give you guys 50% off the courses again, just till tonight, midnight. 50% off, guys. Okay, and if you're finding value, guys, I appreciate it when you subscribe and share this to your friends and family. Okay, hit the like button and hit the bell. Don't forget to smash that bell so you know when I post these videos. Okay, so this is very simple. SPX is out of the box. Okay, and we are headed for an all-time high. Okay, so we closed around here 52.46, maybe 52.47. All-time high is up here, so we need another $20 for all-time highs. Okay, now here's the kicker. So tomorrow we will have core price index, core CPI year over year, core CPI year over year. What does that mean to you guys? That means that the market will move based off these numbers. And you also have US retail sales. Now here is what you need to know. What did the market do last time it got this number? So obviously you're going to come over to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and we're going to take a look at the schedule of release for CPI data. And you can see that on April 10th was the last time we saw the data come out. Okay, and this is what you got to do. If you're going to be a trader that does not want to lose money, you got to be prepared, guys. Preparation is the biggest thing here. So now we're going to come over to SPY and look at April 10th, 8:30 in the morning. What happened? Whoop! That's right. Everything went downtown. Check it out. We went down like nobody's business when that data came out. They didn't like it. If we get bad data, which the numbers are super high now that we will get bad data. So we fell an amazing number of $10. We fell $10, guys. Okay. What does that mean on SPX? That means $100 drop, guys. Look at this. Okay, SPX took a gigantic, you know what? Okay, $100 drop. Okay. All right, we're looking more like 72, maybe $75, guys, when this happens on SPX, because SPX and SPY are off by about $20 right now, so that's okay. So this is a huge drop. Okay, and then what happens the next day? Look at that. They are going to, or the same day, they're going to put us in another box. Okay, so be ready to be in a box after we get a drop. Okay, if the data is not liked, and we'll see a chop for $32 across, and eventually they'll let us out of that chop 2 days later. And look at that, they did it again for 2 days, and then eventually we came up $63. We filled the gap, and then they started to go down. Okay, why did they start going down? Those are different reasons, but you need to know this is going to happen. So if you play SPY, you're looking at about a $10 drop. Okay, and I know some people say, do you promise? Do you really think it's going to go down that much? If you pay me a lot of money, I will promise you whatever you want, guys. This is what's going to happen. Same thing on SPX. Okay, I like to play both, mostly SPX because I love the volatility in there. Okay, the premiums are pretty cool, but SPY is also cool. It's cheaper. It's 1/10 the price. So if you're a new trader, you need to be on SPY and nothing else until you get better. So we kept falling and falling and falling. And how did I know to stay in my put once I got here? Is because we came back down on the indicator. Look at that. We decided to get above the 200 and the cloud went green. That's cool. Buy you your little calls and make your money. But then when we got our bearish signal on the indicator, okay, we went down. This pink line is my 200, and every time that happens, there is a big move down. Okay, so wouldn't you like to be part of this move, huh? Does your indicator do that? Don't be like those people that say, oh, well, I can do this, or I don't need that. Okay, good for you. Look at that, $22 drop. I bet you missed it. I bet you. Okay, now I bet you. And then you had this move up here. That was a $10 move. I bet you missed it. And then we had this one here. That was a $8 move. I bet you missed it. Okay, and so on and so on. Guys, get the indicator. It's cheap. It pays for itself. Okay, if you don't make money with the indicator, I will pay your next month. Okay, you get it for free until you make money, but sign up. You will make money with it. And now let's cover NVIDIA, guys. I think it's worth looking at. NVIDIA's been in a box as well. There you go. Okay, that's pretty much been its life for the last week or so. Okay, it did have some good moves up and down. Remember, this stock has a $39 average true range, meaning that's how far it goes up. Okay, so if it travels about $40 a day, okay, check this out. Okay, that is a $40 line. Okay, so every time the market opens, wherever it opened up, NVIDIA stayed in the box. NVIDIA has not moved more than $40 for a while. That is strange. How are they doing that? Okay, what are they doing? How do they make that happen? Really easy. They slow down the buying, guys. They're only buying 50% of what they usually do per day. So be careful. Now, it did pop out today like everybody else. Okay, it could make a move to 950 tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of resistance. You got news. Is it going to make it? Who knows? Depending on what we get with CPI data. And before I close this out, guys, we have the Mag 7 here. You can see everybody is bullish, looking bullish, except for Tesla. Tesla did have its spike, and now it's going down. I feel really bad for Ron Barron. He spent a lot of money to manipulate this stock up. I mean, He bought shares. He bought the dip. He didn't manipulate it. He bought the dip. All right. And then VIX. VIX is doing nothing for us, guys. Look, VIX, you're fired. It's just going down. So if you're bearish and you got puts and VIX just kind of stayed here for a while, okay, I get it. It's going to happen. Tomorrow we will see the big up or down. Be ready. Okay. If you're a fast trader, understand what's going to happen at the open. If the stock goes down, it will continue to go down like it did last time. If it goes up, it will go up for a while as well. So remember, the only way you're going to be able to tell how to get in and out, guys, is you need the indicator. Okay. Until the next video, guys, wishing you a super green day tomorrow.